Psalm 102, the prayer of a troubled young man. Listen to my prayer, O Lord, and hear me cry for help. When I am in trouble, don't turn away from me. Listen to me and answer me quickly when I call. My life is disappearing like smoke. My body is burning like fire. I am beaten down like dry grass. I have lost my desire for food. I groan aloud. I am nothing but skin and bones. I am like a wild bird in the desert, like an owl in abandoned ruins. I lie awake. I am like a lonely bird in a housetop. All day long my enemies insult me. Those who mock me use my name in cursing. Because of your anger and fury, ashes are my food, and my tears are mixed with my drink. You picked me up and threw me away. My life is like evening shadows. I am like dry grass, but you, O Lord, are King forever. All generations will remember you. You will rise and take pity on Zion. The time has come to have mercy on her. This is her time. Your servants love her, even though she is destroyed. They have pity on her, even though she is in ruins. The nations will fear the Lord. All the kings of the earth will fear his power.